Hello, I'm Marissa and today we're going to be drawing a cute volcano. Let's start by drawing a line down and out, just like this. And then same thing for the other side. You're going to go down and out. Now let's form the bottom. It's going to have kind of these curves, and you can make them random or copy mine, it's up to you. And then close it off on the end. It's okay if it's not perfect, you just fill it in. Now let's create some lava at the top. We're gonna go up and down and all around, making these drips, just like that. You can make big ones, small ones, however many you want, and then end it. Next, we're gonna form the top. I wanna kinda give my volcano a little bit more height, so I'm gonna go up a little more by just drawing a line. And then we're gonna make a curve that goes around and touches the other line. And then I'm gonna make my volcano like erupt a heart, because it's gonna be cute, like I lava you. So I'm gonna draw my heart. It's just a curve that goes down into the volcano, and then another curve that goes down and into the volcano. And then once you draw your heart, or you could have drawn your lava, then you close up the back side. So I'm going to draw a curve and then a curve. There we go. I'm going to draw some more hearts flowing out, just random wherever you want your hearts. Mine's gonna come out here, have a couple there, another heart out here, and then maybe some hearts flowing down, like an upside down heart. That was kind of fun. I'm gonna do another one. There we go, another heart. Now you can make more hearts, more lava, or you can finish yours up with a smile. So I'm going to draw two eyes, which are just two circles. 1, 2. And then I'm going to draw a face. My face is going to be happy. So draw a smile. And then a big curve out and around. And then mine's going to have a little tongue in between. I'm also going to draw some cute accent marks inside of the eyes, just to give it more shine. So 2 circles, and then a smaller one, and a smaller one. Then the inside of these smaller ones are going to be white, and then the outside will be black. Let's color it in. Here's our cute volcano. I lava you. I hope you enjoyed this drawing. Please subscribe for new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye.